When thinking about financials, a lot of your decision would depend on how much you and your partner earn and on your budget as a couple. Renting a place is much simpler in terms of allocating expenses, but for those who have limited funds and decide to purchase a place, securing a home loan will help stretch that budget. As a rule of thumb, you should only borrow up to 80% of the total value of the home you're planning to purchase. The lower the amount you intend to borrow, the higher the chances you will be granted the loan. Before you begin scouting homes, it would be a good idea to pre-qualify for a loan. This will help you in making more solid financial decisions as it will give you a better grasp of long-term implications. Begin by maintaining good credit standing. Pay bills, previous loans, and credit card balances on time. Also, prepare details about your assets, monthly revenue, and liabilities before approaching a lender. Show that you have a stable income and a healthy bank account. Needless to say, you also have to prepare your valid IDs with correct information and financial documents like ITR, employment certificate, and payslips. Avoid making big-ticket purchases simultaneously while applying. All these will help lenders determine how much money they will loan you, but don't leave everything on credit.
Home loans can be acquired from a number of financial institutions, starting with government agencies. Other than the Pag-ibig Fund, which is the top-of-the-mind institution when discussing government housing loans, SSS, GSIS, National Home Mortgage Finance Corporation, and Social Housing Finance Corporation also offer housing loans to Filipino buyers. Banks offer home loans as well. Each agency and bank differs in terms of qualifications, approved loan purposes, interest rates, loanable amount, and terms and conditions, but generally, banks boast of having lower interest rates. As a married couple, you'll be sharing a lot of things. One could be shouldering the loan for your new residence. However, you don't need to. Depending on the situation, put your best foot forward as a couple when approaching a lender. If one has a significantly better financial standing, it could work in your favor to have it under his or her name.
And there you go! That's Home Loan for Newlyweds 101.